Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvesha with you. I hope all of you are doing good and safe at home. So as you guys are seeing, I have created this look today and I have tried to share every single point which is going to help you to get the best smoky eye. So if you want to know how have I done it, keep on watching. So my skin is well prepared, it's moisturized. Now I will be working with a lot of dark eyeshadow, and smoky eye takes a lot of blending, so there are going to be some fallouts. So for that today I will be starting with my eyes, and first I'm going to prime the lid with this Neon Fix It concealer. And I'm blending it with a concealer brush. Now I am going to set the lid with the banana powder. Now I am going to take this cotton sponge and I will dip into the powder. I will take a lot of it and I will put it under my eyes, so that if there is any fallout later, I can clean it easily. Now if you have already done your base, you want to bake your under eyes to prevent that messiness or to prevent that panda eye. So now let's move on with the look. So for the crease, I will be mixing two eyeshadows from two different palettes. So the first color would be from SFR Colors Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I will mix this rust orange color with this Leon Beauty Rock and Roll palette, and I will mix it with this. So I will mix these two. Oh, I forgot to show you the brush. So this is a fluffy brush that I'm using and it is by Puna Store. I bought it from Amazon. It is very pigmented. Actually this is very pigmented, so I'm going to go with a clean brush to diffuse it a little bit. So this is the brush I'll be using. And it went too up, so to clean it a little more, I will be taking this skin color and I will place it just here. At this point, I've been blending it for hours and I've already used 3 different brushes just for the crease, and I don't know what's gonna happen with the black. And I just don't understand how do these people make those videos about 10-minute smoky eye, 3-minute smoky eye. If you want to make a good smoky eye, you need to put a lot of time and blending. Otherwise it will be just few patches of colors and it is not going to look nice. And there are a lot of different ways to create smoky eyes. There are brown smoky eye, there is pure black smoky eye, and this is the one that I'm doing is red and black. And I think this one is so classy because red and black always goes really well together. I think it's pretty much done. Now I'm going to do the crease on this eye and I will be back. So the crease is done, and what I did while blending is I went back with the rust color, rust orange, and I put it just on the top half a little bit, and yeah, that's it. Now what will happen if I put black on top of my lid right now? Because the lid is bare and white, so the whiteness will merge with the black and it will give more of a gray tone, which will not look that flattering. And that's why before I go with the black, I am going to fill my lid with a dark brown or a color that is very close to black, so that it is going to help with the smoke a bit more and it is going to make that black more vibrant and dark. Now the Leon Beauty palette doesn't have dark brown color, so I'm going to go with another eyeshadow palette, and this is by the Revolution X Petra, and I have already made a review about that. If you want to check it out, it will be somewhere linked up here. Now I'm going to go with this darkest brown color. It is Chuck and Blair, and I will put that on my lid first before I go with the black. so I need to pack a lot before I go with the black. So see, it's already looking very smoky, and yeah, it's good, right? And make sure to blend the red with the brown very nicely, otherwise the whole look will fall off and it will look very muddy. Okay, this is pretty nice. Now I'm going to go with the black. I can put the black with this brush as well because both of these are dark, so it won't make much of a difference, and plus I don't wanna wash a lot of brushes, so that's good. So I am going to wipe it off in this cloth and I will reuse it for the black. And from the same palette I'm going to go with this matte black. This is purr, purr. It's spelled as P-U-R-R, so purr, purr. I think that's the pronunciation it should be. And see, it instantly made it way more darker and pigmented. Okay, I'm going to finish this blending, otherwise it will take forever, and I will come back to do the lower lash line. First, I will be going with the black, and for that I am using this. This is the shader brush by Cups and Lashes in the number E003. I don't want to drag it too down because it is a smoky eye, so it might look like panda eyes. So I'm going to keep it pretty short and simple. I just hate this step so much. There are so many times I've poked myself doing that. Okay. Always keep cotton buds handy. It helps so much with the removing process. And now I am going to go with this color. Yeah, this one. So I'm taking that. Now before you start judging, hold on a little bit because smoky eyes usually doesn't look that good without full face of makeup. So yeah. So the eye is complete. Now let's jump into the base real quick. My skin was already prep and prime. So now for foundation, I will be using this Lakme Face Magic Skin Tint. This is sheer than a BB cream. So yeah. So let's see if it goes well with the smoky eye. So I'm going to take a little bit. Okay. It's just like a jelly, see? I'm going to take a bit of it on the back of my hand. The packaging sucks, but the bottle is so cute. Oh my god. And I will be blending it with this Cups and Lashes F013 foundation brush. You know what? I'm going to put this by my hand. I mean by my fingers. See how sheer this is? This will not cover any pigmentation or dark spot. So it's just... but this gives such a beautiful glow. Okay. My hair is gonna get white. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that I wiped my under eye. There was no fallout anyway, but I did it with, like, I just did it. And I gotta be careful here. This brush is really nice. There is no sign of streakiness. Now I am going to go with concealer. And I will be blending it with the same brush. Now I need to be very, very careful under my eyes. Now when you have your desired shape, bring it downwards to blend it. Now I will set my face with the same banana powder. Now I will do a bit of contouring. So I'm going to take the middle shade. And I'm going to pinch it like that, and I will contour my nose. And I will blend it. You can do it with any eyeshadow brush. You don't need a specific nose contouring brush, but I guess I'm too lazy to do that. Now with the same brush, I'm going to pick the blush and I will focus it on the outer side of my face. This is pretty much done. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera, which is highlighter, eyelash and lipstick, and I'll see you then. Okay, I did the rest of my face. Now these eyelashes are so dramatic. I'm going to finish it off with this beautiful lip topper. Now because smoky eye is all about matte, so I didn't want this to be completely matte, you know. Oh, it is. They instantly made my lips so juicy and big. This is so not my jam. So that is how you create the perfect smoky eye. So if you want me to do another type of smoky eye, such as brown and black and pink and blue, do let me know in the comment section below. Everything is possible. So if you like it, do not forget to hit that like button. If you like this face and want to see more from me, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that little notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!